Welcome to the release for October 2023 from Hero Arts. Hi everyone, I'm Mindy Egan and I'll be walking you through the products being released this month and sharing inspiration. Winter trees. From layered evergreens to bare trees to birds and tracks in the snow, this sweet stamp set has everything you need to create a peaceful winter scene. This set includes 10 images and 3 sentiments, including Merry Christmas, Wishing You Peace, and Season's Greetings. The bundle includes coordinating dies for your images and sentiments. Folk Winter Animals. Add adorable animal designs to your crafting projects with this folk art-inspired stamp set. Brimming with possibilities, this versatile set is packed full of fun elements, including 10 decorated animal stamps, 6 mix-and-match messages, and 4 stamps for adding finishing details like flowers, snowflakes, or holly. Use on its own or combine with the color layering Folk Winter Animals Stencil for quick and easy coloring. The bundle includes coordinating dies for your images and sentiments. Ornament Fancy Dies. This 7-piece set of dies combines to create 3 beautiful holiday ornaments. Use the outer die alone for a solid ornament, or combine with the inner pieces to add intricate designs. The 7th die adds the perfect topper to your ornament creations. This set is great for die-cut inlay techniques, and when combined with glitter cardstock, it adds a ton of sparkle to your project. Holiday Reindeer. Add a festive touch to your holiday crafts with this intricate reindeer design. Decorate your deer with a scarf and hanging ornaments for the holidays, or leave the ornaments off to use this beautiful die all year long. Die cut the image from white cardstock and ink blend to add color, or color with your alcohol markers or other favorite coloring mediums. And another way to add color is by die cutting from colored cardstock and piecing it together for a lovely layered look. Peeking Bear Cub. A friendly bear cub peeking around the corner adds a playful and adorable touch to any crafting project. Perfect for cards, tags, scrapbooks, and more. Color the image by ink blending or again using colored cardstock and adding a touch of ink blending for a look of dimension. Starry Moon Bold Print. An abstract pattern of swirling dots and stars representing the sky on a crisp winter night. Great for mixed media projects. Ink up the image using your favorite Hero Arts color and stamp on white cardstock, or do tone-on-tone stamping for even more subtle of a look to your backgrounds. Color Layering Folk Winter Animals Stencil. This is a set of 3 stencils measuring 5 1/4 by 6 1/2. Inspiration already is on the packaging to get you started, and the back of the packaging shows the stencil stepped out. Each stencil is marked in the bottom left-hand corner with an A, B, or C, and the registration marks are provided in each corner of the stencil for easy alignment, which you will be able to see in my example. The stencil creates a full background of folk art-inspired animals, flowers, and greenery. Combine with the Folk Winter Animals bundle to add stamped detail and to die-cut select images. Swirling Stars Stencil. An abstract pattern of swirling dots and stars representing the sky on a crisp winter night. Great for mixed media projects and using with the Hero Paste. You can apply the Hero Paste through the stencil with the Hero Arts palette knife and then rinse off your stencil in a sink with warm water and soap. Snowy Night Letterpress and Foil Plate. Welcome to our first letterpress and foil plate for the Spellbinder's Better Press system. The Better Press creates a stunning impress design of a snowy tree scene. For best results, use with a thick paper like our watercolor paper or the paper recommended for the Letterpress by Spellbinders. Be sure to use all of the shims for best results. When inking up your plate, use a heavy application of ink given the large surface space of the plate, and you may need to apply it multiple times. This plate also gives amazing results when combined with your favorite glimmer foil and the glimmer system from Spellbinders. That is a closer look at the October 2023 release from Hero Arts. Thank you so much for spending time with us today, and we can't wait to see what you create with this release.